This is a tutorial video for your bulk 250 ml Hazel Rose Toner. When you have a 250 ml Hazel Rose Toner, the steps are very simple. All you need is a clean and sanitized measuring device. We like to use boiling water and vinegar. The first step is to give your Hazel Rose Toner a very good shake, because the essential oils and ingredients need to be distributed equally across each refill. After you've given it a good shake, pour about 50 to 60 mils into your measuring device. And fill up your Hazel Rose Toner. If you feel like the toner needs to be filled more, you can pour more into the glass measuring cup and put the lid on. Otherwise, just screw up the lid and you're good to go.